I'm going to show you how to send goods and services payments on PayPal. First, you gotta log into your PayPal account and click on the send button on the top here. And now you gotta basically enter name or username or email of whoever is going to receive the payment. You can also use recent contacts here. And then you have to specify the amount and press next. Now, from this page here, you should be able to select the transaction or the payment type, which usually has a button next to it, like this one here, where when you click on it, you can select from a drop down between family and friends or goods and services. But certain accounts doesn't support family and friends, so it's set by default to goods and services. And once you've selected the payment type, goods and services, I want to basically click on the button below to complete the transaction or the payment. And this should send the payment as goods and services. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.